We ordered a different kind of net thing last night. He's coming. He's right behind you. Not the big pretty one, but the one I figured would be damn near impossible to catch. I don't know why I'm talking soft. Yeah, this is why we're going to have to use the one that springs on its own. Right. We have a grayer, colder day today, but we're supposed to hit a high of 80 on Friday and Saturday, so this is a little blip in the progress towards spring weather changes. It was a mess out back this morning with the chicken thing. We're not going to catch them with the net. They know what the net is. They ain't having it. They're smart. But I do have a trap on the way that will spring activate. We don't even have to be near it. Let's hope that works. That would be good. I didn't see the rooster this morning, just the white chicken and the black chicken. I don't know. Morris came back to eat and all was good. I'll probably edit what I shot this morning. It was kind of tense, but needless to say, Morris got fed and he came back and all is good. I sat and had my coffee for a bit and maybe feeling like I overdid it a little bit the past couple days. It's not real nice out here today, but I may yet still pick up a little bit of sweet gumballs in the yard. You know, 30 minutes to an hour a day will get it done. I don't have to kill myself. I just saw the hawk and he looked like he grabbed something and then went up to the nest. So that would be good news. Remember, this particular hawk, one of the reasons why they're in the yard is they love the frogs in the creek. They almost always build their nests near water sources. And we got plenty of water in the creek right now, so by the time the babies hatch, we should have frogs. I'm down here to water plants. I kind of have moved it to Monday from Sunday. You can see most things are doing good. Begonia here. Salvia spikes. I've got Stripe down here with me. Hey, buddy. Don't get into anything you're not supposed to. Mostly just don't tear up Mr. Don's ductwork. We'll be fine. Don's such a good boy. Went and put on his green sweatshirt for me. Well, technically, I have some green in my sweatshirt today. I'm a little more colorful than you, though.
Yeah, well, I have my green t-shirt on underneath the green sweatshirt.
That's true. You do. Look. Yeah. Wow. You're with the swing of it.
Yeah, well, I knew my girl would appreciate it.
Yeah, if you'd have come out in red, I would have given you a dirty look.
Yeah, I know what's required of me. Minimum specification.
Got all these nice clothes, so it's a good thing you've got a reason to switch them out and wear them all. See, that's all I got to say about it.
Yeah, I could be saving this. This is really nice. This is a real Nike. This is big name, brand name stuff. I said, oh, I'll save that, wear that somewhere special. Well, I got news for you. There's no, I don't go places that are special.
Oh, well, that's not my fault.
Well, it's not your fault. It's just the way I am.
Well, you don't need to save it for special because I just bought it at Guardian Angel anyway. I paid Guardian Angel prices. You just wear it all you want to, Donnie.
Thank you, sweetheart. You're so sweet.
Home from the gym and picking up on step 346. I got about an hour before I need to cook. Right, nighttime? All those boys are outside right now. Well, except for midnight. We won't leave Marty out too long. It's actually pretty cold. It's 48. Well, I'm making good progress on the second floor here. This isn't a modular because, God, I had pressed and pressed that and still it wasn't quite right. There it is. It's not a modular because it's got hinges. You either do hinges or you do detachable floors. So you just keep on building up. At least here on the swinging part. Maybe the other part will be more modular. Usually neither is, but because he made these tiles flat, I'm thinking this is going to be a drop-in piece that you build and set on top, but these two pieces back here will be finished off in line.